Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can apply decorative borders around your object on a video in CapCut PC. So for instance, you want to add in like a line or like a paper like border around him. So to do that, you are going to, an outline I should say. You're going to go to cutout, you're going to select auto cutout, and you're going to wait for it to process. If you want to use the same colored background, you're just going to want to copy and paste that. I'm just going to delete the auto cutout here. And on the second video, you can either select this one, this one, this one, or this one. I'm just going to select this one for mine. You can also select the color. I'm just going to select this black color. You can also change the size of it and the spacing as well. But I'm just going to leave it like that. And yeah, that is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you find this video helpful, please click the links button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.